Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to repost an Instagram story without being tagged in it. Really easy and simple to do. So I'm just going to head over to Instagram and show you guys an example of a story that we can just copy. So I just have this page here called Apple Fan Club. Or Fun Club, sorry, Apple Fun Club. So all we're going to do is we're going to head over to our web browser, whether it is Google Chrome or Safari, whether you're on an iPhone or Android device. So we're just going to go over to the web browser and head to this website right here called instadp.com. I'll have a link in the description as well, so you guys don't have to type it if you don't want to. So all we're going to do at the top of the page here is just search for the page that we want to get the story off of. So I'm just go Apple_Fun Club. Search for the page, and then you'll see the page right there. So we'll just click on the page, and then if we just scroll down, and you'll see under the name there, it says profile, full size, and stories. We can just click on stories, and then as you guys can see right there, we have the story right there that we were looking at before. We can just click on download, and then we just click on save and add to photos. We exit out of that and head back over to Instagram. And then we can head to our own story. Go to our uploaded pictures, click on it, and then here you go. We can now post this story as our own. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.